I love Kyopyeom.
My God, that was scary. How accurate that shit was. Holy shit! Wait, say something else.
Pog. I love Minecraft. No, that's bad.
Okay, that one's as good.
Okay, chat. Today what we're gonna do is... Oh my God, these fucking I'm so scared, chat. Oh my God, these ghosts.
I actually know how to do his voice. I'm trying. Where are you?
Chat, listen,
Oh my
chat.
God.
Kyo, give me your best British impersonation.
Well, you see, when I try to sound British, I end up just speaking like Merryweather, because I don't actually know how to do it with my normal voice. But, I'm quite the, woof woof, I am a happy dog boy, as you can see.
What the fuck?
I write little videos for Vishojo.
Okay, at least you tried, bro. You tried. You know what? You tried. That's all that matters.
You do a
I'm
fucking
proud
British
of you.
accent then.
All right. It's Tuesday, ain't it?
Okay, you tried way less than me. It's Tuesday, innit? Like, come on, bro. Come on.
It's Tuesday, ain't it?
Try to sound like Mister. That's like a Mister
Con,
accent.
in it?
My God.
Yeah, that's pretty spot on, I think.
innit?
Con in it. Con in it.
Chat, I swear to fucking God, chat.
Dude, actually, I've been trying to practice my Niji AU impersonation recently.
Okay, who can you do, Ren?
Oh mate. Oh mate.
Can you do Sunny?
I'm Sonny Briscoe of the Virtual Special Forces.
Oh my God, his voice is. Yo, he sound a little bit more. You know what I'm saying?
Shut the fuck up, Kyo. Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, he sound like you know, like post puberty, not pre puberty. You know what I'm saying?
Shut the fuck
Like
up,
the balls
Kyo.
had
He's cute
dropped.
the way he is. Don't talk about. He's cute the way he is.
He is, but it just you know, his voice isn't quite like your impersonation.
I will find you, Kyo. I will find you, KyoKaneko.
Well, see, the thing is, no, as you can see, I'm currently right in front of you.
Yeah, I know.
So, we need to continue the mission.
Yes, we do.
And, maybe, you know, when you, hit puberty, you can, do an accurate Sunny impression.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
You ever been teabagged by a fucking penguin before? Bitch.
Okay,
Bitch.
okay.